To make Filipino cassava cake, first wash your hands. Then crack an egg. Check it for eggshell, whisk it with a fork and add it to a large bowl. Do the same with another egg. Don't forget to wipe your hands after handling raw eggs. Add coconut milk, coconut cream and milk to the eggs. Now add vegetable oil, vanilla extract and sugar to the other ingredients. Grate frozen cassava. You may need a grown-up to help you with the grating, and add this to the mixture. Add grated mature cheddar cheese to the bowl and give it all a good mix. Now oil a deep baking tin using a pastry brush and vegetable oil. Pour the mixture into the baking tin, sprinkle over some more grated cheese, and ask a grown-up to put the baking tin into the oven for you. Now carefully cut up some fruit to eat with your cake. Mango, pineapple and melon goes really well. You can even use a cookie cutter to make nice fruit shapes. When the cassava cake is completely cooled, remove it from the tin and it is ready to eat with your fruit. This is a My World Kitchen Red recipe to be eaten now and again.